Welcome to this guided meditation for deep, restorative sleep. Find a comfortable position, lie down, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath and allow the weight of the day to melt away. This is your moment of rest, a gift you give to yourself. Feel the contact between your body and the mattress. Feel welcomed, safe, and ready to completely relax. Now, bring your attention to your breathing. Breathe in deeply through your nose, feeling the fresh air fill your lungs. Hold your breath for a moment and exhale slowly and completely through your mouth, releasing any tension. Let's synchronize your breathing with a calming rhythm. Inhale, counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And exhale slowly, counting to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go together. With each inhale, imagine that you are bringing calm and serenity. With each exhale, visualize any tension or worries leaving your body. Hold this rhythm for a few more moments, feeling your breathing slow down naturally. Notice how, little by little, your body and mind align with the present moment. Now, let's relax each part of the body. Start at the top of the head. Imagine a warm, comforting light, like the glow of a sunset, that dissolves any tension. Let this light descend to the forehead, eyes, and jaw. Notice how the muscles in these areas become completely light and loose. The light continues to your shoulders, relieving any weight you may be carrying. Feel it flowing through your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and into your hands. Relax it all the way down to your fingertips. The light descends over the chest and abdomen, bringing a feeling of warmth and comfort. Imagine this light is softening any stiffness or discomfort. Now, let it run down your legs, from your hips to your ankles, reaching your feet and toes. Your entire body is deeply relaxed, as if you were floating on a calm, peaceful lake. Imagine yourself walking through a quiet forest under the soft light of the moon. The trees around you dance lightly in the breeze, and the sound of crickets and leaves creates a nighttime symphony. In the distance, you notice a cozy cabin with warm lights shining through the windows. Walk towards it at your own pace. Inside, there is a comfortable bed with soft covers waiting for you. Feel safe in this space. This is your refuge, a place where deep, restful sleep is natural and guaranteed. Imagine that with each breath you settle even further into this welcoming environment. With each breath, you receive calm. With each exhale, release any restlessness. Now, give yourself completely to sleep. Let your mind float like a leaf gently descending over a lake. Imagine you are being lulled by a soft melody. There is nothing that needs to be done, nothing that needs to be resolved. This is the time to just be. Breathe gently and allow sleep to come to you. Feel enveloped by a sense of calm and security. Sleep well, and may your night be deeply restorative. If this meditation brought calm and serenity to your night, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Share this meditation with someone you think could benefit from a night of deep rest. Let's spread tranquility and well-being together.